YouTube, what's up? Good morning. Mike from the Credit Game. Listen, I wanted to share something with you. We've been doing quite a few videos on credit and finances and getting you guys back into a place to where, with the economy going on, that we're actually able to, kind of get back into and see how we're going to be on the other side of this. Unfortunately, they are talking about a second quarantine, and I want to make sure everybody's prepared. So for that reason, I am doing a training. Some of you guys have been on it. Some of you guys maybe have not been on it yet. But I'm going to tell you something. This Friday, I'm doing a training. I'm going to show you 3 secrets. But part of the 3 secrets that I'm going to share with you, one of them is really cool because I'm actually adding a bonus to it. And what that is, I'm going to show you guys how to get a free $1,000. You guys come on, free training, and I'll show you how to get an easy $1,000. That's not worth getting you on there for, then I don't know what is. Where do you see the value that we're putting out? This is what I'm saying. Like, guys, spend a few minutes with me. I've got so many different ideas and things and value points that we're putting out there to the world right now that, what would an extra $1,000 do right now for you? Maybe it pays your few cars, or maybe it pays a rent payment or a mortgage payment, right? Maybe it helps you be able to kind of get by in the meantime, right? There's a lot of people that are struggling. There's a lot of people that are doing well. But if I can help you individually, I don't care if you got $1 million, an extra $1,000 for free, I think it's great. And so we're going to show you just a little bonus on top of the 3 structured things that we have put together in our free training this Friday that almost every single person, in fact, every single person can do. It doesn't matter if you're a corporation, company, it doesn't matter if you are a single sole proprietorship, doesn't matter if you have a business or not. I'm going to show you step by step on how to get this $1,000. Okay, we've had so many good turnouts already of people that are just like so ecstatic that we're bringing this to them. And again, it's 15 minutes of work, and we'll show you guys how to do that. So here's what I want you to do. Okay, step 1 is understand that what I'm teaching you guys is all 10x movements. Okay, taking action today so that tomorrow you can pay any price. You're going to pay the price today so you can pay any price in the future, okay? Stop sitting back watching, Oprah and The Bachelor and start thinking about, hey, maybe I want to spend 45 minutes with Mike, and so he can teach me a few things that can make me $1,000 or a couple $1,000, whatever the case is, okay? It's a free training. Guys, I want you to show up. It's a free training. If you want to be on it, it's free, and I can show you actually how to make $1,000. Almost every single person's approved, okay? And so, that's just our way of giving back. On top of that, I'm sharing credit secrets. I'm sharing how to get more clients. I'm showing you, like, how to succeed in a market where right now everything's uncertain and nobody knows when they're going back to work. Nobody knows, a lot of people working remote. There's a lot of people that are trying to scale their business. They have no idea how to run Facebook ads. They have no idea if a course is a good thing for them. We teach you exactly how to do this, and I'm personalizing it to you, not generalizing it to everybody. So click the link below, get signed up. Like I said before, 250 seats once they're gone. That's all we can, the capacity can hold on our platform. So I believe we have like 12 spots left. So as soon as you see this video, click the link below, get signed in. Again, spend a few minutes with me this Friday. Spend a few minutes with me this Friday, and let me teach you guys exactly what you need to do so you can not only make money, but provide for your family. It's your responsibility, duty, and obligation as a human being to be the best you can be. Remember, champions dominate. Don't make excuses, okay? The first sign of a loser is an excuse maker. Champions take full responsibility, good or bad. Okay, I want you guys to succeed. That is my ultimate goal, is to raise your credit score, to raise the entire national credit score, and help you financially so you don't have that monkey on your back that you have to worry about finances when there's everything else going on in the world that's uncertain. I can do that. I've helped many, many businesses scale. I've bought many companies to 7 figures, and we've hit our 8-figure mark. We're going to continue to grow. I want you to grab my shirt, and I want you to grab my coattail and say, hey, Mike, take me along, mentor me, show me what I need to do, and I'm willing to do that individually for you guys, not just generalize and say, hey, this is what you need to do. Okay, wait till you see what we're putting out this Friday. So click the link, get in right now. It's this Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is live, and I'm teaching you guys all kinds of stuff from, like I said, the 3 things and the free $1,000. Click the link below, get in. I want to see each and every one of you guys there. Love you all. Thank you too. Give me a thumbs up. Let's roll. Share this with anybody that can use credit help or financial help. It's a beast what I'm about to show you guys. I'm about to drop some bombs. So thank you again. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the inside.